Friday, September 10. I'm Raquel Jones. The life of yet another policeman has been snuffed out at the hands of gunmen. Special Corporal Garfield Anderson, who was attached to the Kingston West Police Division, has become the 10th policeman to be killed since the start of the year. The lawman was reportedly shot and killed near his home on Westchester Drive in Portmore, St. Catherine at about 11 o'clock last night. Chairman of the Island Special Constabulary Staff Association, Special Sergeant St. George Jackson, who spoke to our news center last night, says it appears that the local law enforcement community is constantly under attack by criminal elements. Up to late last night, investigators from the Major Investigations Task Force were still combing the scene of the killing. Meanwhile, there has been no word from the executive of the Jamaica Police Federation following reports that their chairman, Sergeant Raymond Wilson, is to be rigorously investigated by the Inspectorate branch of the police force. The Inspectorate division of the force is to determine whether Sergeant Wilson breached the force's regulations following his recent bashing of the government. Kirk Wright reports.
Rank-and-file members of the Jamaica Constabulary Force are not in a good mood. The policemen and women are upset over reports that the Inspectorate Division of the Police Force will be examining recent statements by Federation Chairman Raymond Wilson. Head of the Inspectorate Branch, Deputy Commissioner Charles Scarlett, says the probe began on Monday.
The Jamaica Constabulary Force is governed by the JCF Act, as well as the Police Service Regulations of 1961 and the Police Book of Rules. All members of the force are expected to conform with the rules, and the members of the Federation are not exempted from the rules of the force.
Says all preliminary reports on the state of lockups across the country should reach his office by this weekend. The public defender staff is now in the field investigating conditions under which detainees are held at the over 70 lockups across Jamaica.